Python2 math.fsum not accurate. I'm using the Python2 math module to calculate sums with sum. I understand that 0.1 usually can't be stored binary. As far as I understand, math.fsum should fix this somehow.
You're asking for math.fsum to behave as though it were given the exact values 0.1 and 0.2, but it has no way of knowing that that's what you want. It can only operate on the inputs that you give it. Note that on most machines, addition of two floats will already be correctly rounded, so there's no advantage to using math.fsum. Math.fsum is intended to remove the accumulation of rounding error involved in summing more than two floats.
Actually, you should avoid to use the equal operator for the float, because computer present them in binary, and only an approximate value of the float. If you really need to check whether two float is equal, you need to define a tolerance. For example, please refer to this. What is the best way to compare floats for almost equality in Python? And I find this funny website. This URL. This 0.1 plus 0.2 not equals to 0.3 exits in most languages.
If you want to see more, please visitor